Hey everybody, welcome to this video, and my name is Zaira Alman, aka Z Cashflow. Today I'm going to show you how you can get paid to share your knowledge online. And go ahead and give this video a like, and you're going to want to watch this video to the end because I have a special treat for you if you stay to the end. Let's go. Okay, so this is how you can get paid to share your knowledge online. First thing you can do is you can write articles. There are tons of platforms out there that you can use to get started with. If you enjoy writing, then this is one's for you. One platform you can start with is called Medium. Once you get up to 100 followers, you can start monetizing your stories. This is also a great place to build an audience. Another thing you can do is you can write books. Or, as you know, we live in a digital world, so you can write ebooks. This might sound scary at first. Writing a book? I know what you're thinking, but what if I told you you don't need to be an expert to do this? You can create ebooks. Nowadays it's so easy to make them. You could even just go to Fiverr and have someone create the cover for you. Just create the content in the book in a Word document, and then you can send it to them. If you're having writer's block, you can leverage Google to see what other people are searching for on the internet in your niche. Another thing you can do is you can create online courses. There are tons of platforms that will pay you to create courses online, one of them being Udemy. Here you can set your own prices and you can build your own audience within the platform, which is nice. There are millions of users on Udemy every day searching for answers to their problems. Again, if you're not sure what to talk about, just use Google to find what people are searching for in your niche. And the last thing here is providing coaching and consolation. One thing I'm learning is that sometimes you don't always have to believe in yourself, but sometimes it's best to get other people to believe in you. If you have a Facebook group, you could schedule one-on-one meetings with people in your audience. The best place to build an audience, or the best place to get traffic fast, could be social media. You could drive traffic from there to your Facebook group. You may have to decide to set your own prices. You may set your own prices to have them talk to you, and that's up to you. But what's most important here is that you're giving them tons of value in your niche. Okay, you've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for sticking around. Remember, I told you in the beginning that I had a special treat for you if you stuck to the end. So what I'd like you to do is leave me a comment saying that you want more info, and I'll sit down with you and discuss your financial desires, or anything that you are looking to achieve financially. I'll be more than happy to assist you and help you with that. So leave me a comment saying that you want more info, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.